A unit circle contains the points A, 0.4, and negative 0.6. What is the tangent of A and what is the slope of A? All right, so if I'm given a unit circle, right, regular old unit circle, A is 0.4, negative, so something like this, maybe like there-ish. I know it's not an exact science, but we'll just say it lives right there. All right, I know that sine is my y value. I know that cosine is my x value. And tangent is sine over cosine, which means my y over my x. So memorize that. That tangent is just simply y over x. All right, so what is tangent theta then? Well, tangent theta is going to be my y value, which is negative 0.6, over my x value, which is regular 0.4. Let me see, that's like basically saying negative 6 over 4, which is negative 1.5. So tangent is negative 1.5. Now, I know the answer is B, but let's try to understand what that means. The tangent value is the y value over the x value. The change in y over the change in x, that's the slope. So tangent is slope. So they are the same. That's why you get the same number both times. Tangent is slope because it's the y over x value. And as we can see, negative 1.5, I didn't do the picture justice, but that looks like a negative line. And I can justify if maybe I moved these numbers a little bit, getting that number right there, negative 3 over 2. All right, there you go, tangent problem.